Hello friend, this is Ayman Singh Bagri and I was tell you new story of the origin of Sri Rudrashtakam. What is the Rudrashtakam we are know today? So Goswami Tulsidas Rudrashtakam has its origin in the Ramayana, the great Sanskrit epic written by Goswami Tulsidas 60th century AD in Varanasi. The city is scared to Lord Shiva. Tulsidas was writing the Ramcharitmanas in Kashi Vishwanath. Kashi Vishwanath temple when this human singing the glories of Shiva could be composed due the grace of Lord Shiva. The temple houses the famous Vishwanath Jyotirling. Kabushundi. This is there is another story which say that this human was sung on behalf of Kabushundi to appease Lord Shiv and seek his blessings. Kabushundi was not a crow earlier and was born in Ayodhya as a Shudra. He was a staunch devotee of Lord Shiv and had an aversion for all other forms of God, including Rama. Once a drought ravaged Ayodhya and he migrated to Ujjain, where he met an ardent devotee of Lord Shiva, having great respect for Lord Vishnu as well. He tried to convince Kabushundi there is only one path of worship Lord Shiv, and that is devotion to Lord Ram. It is said that Lord Shiv himself constantly chants of the name of Rama. One day, Bhusundi was doing jap in Lord Shiv temple when his guru walked in and ignoring him. He went on with in incantation. The guru overlooked this rude behavior, but Lord Shiv, being Adi Dakshamurti, could not and spoke forcefully through an Asharira walk. You stupid fool, I have had enough of your arrogance. Now I am going to crush you. When the presbyter heard this, he was very anxious, whereas young Bhusundi trembled in fear. Lord Shiva continued, since you were too lazy to stand up and offer due respect to your Guru, when he walked in, I am going to turn you into a serpent. Henceforth, you will become python and dwell in the hollow of tree. When Lord Shiva read thus, the Guru was overwhelmed with compassion for his errant disciple. He begged Lord Shiva for mercy and sung his glorious in Rudrashtakam. This beautiful hymn of 8 verses is given in the Uttarakhand of the Ramcharitmanas. 107th Doha of couplet sung on behalf of Sunday. It nullifies the curse and transforms it into a blessing instead. Lord Shiva was pleased with the Rudrashtakam and confirmed that he would grant a boon. The prospector asked for devotion of Shiva's feet and the forgiveness for Basundi, who was ignorant because of worldly illusion. After having listened to this wonderful stuti, Lord Shiv assured the Brahmins, even through Basundi has sinned, just because of your prayer, he will go through cycle of birth and deaths, but not undergo the painful suffering. Lord Shiv went on to glorify, and since Basundi was born Ayodhya and worshipped me, he will achieve devotion for Lord Rama with the passage of time. Soon after leaving the temple, Basundi went into the forest where he dropped his body and started the process of transmigration. He was born as a serpent and in the thousand other subhuman from thereafter. Finally, he was born in a family of Brahmins and became a great devotee of Rama. When his parents died, he went to the forest where great sages raved about the formless virtues of God, but he just wanted to listen to the glories of Rama. They cursed him of become a crow, but asked him to meditate on the child form of Rama. Since the past 27 kalps or ages, Kagbusandi lived in Nilgiri mountains and sung the glories of Lord Rama. When Lord Shiv appeared, Earth Kagbusandi was Rama compliance in child play and narrated the Ramayana to Karuna, the crystal vehicles of Lord Vishnu. So this is the story of Shiv Rudrashtakam Sotam. Shiv Rudrashtakam is a devotional Sanskrit composition on Lord Shiv or Rudra by the Hindu Bhakti Sant Tulsidas. It's appear in the Uttarakhand of Ramcharitmanas. Rudrashtakam consists of 8 stanzas of hymns that narrate the many qualities and needs of Lord Shiv, such as the destruction of Tripurari and the annihilation of Kamdev. Its Rudrashtakam is also very popular with its first word of the lyrics Namami Shimishan Nirvana Rupam. Get Rudrashtakam lyrics in English here, understand its meaning and chants it with devotional to get grace of Lord Shiv. Rudrashtakam lyrics in English. So let's start. Namami Shmishan Nirvana Rupam Vibhum Vyapikam Brahma Veda Swarupam Nijam Nirgunam Nirvikalpam Niriham Chidakashmakash Vasham Bhajayam Nirakara Omkar Moolam Tureyam Giragyan Goti Timisham Girisham Karalam Mahakali Kalam Kripalam Gunagar Sansar Param Natoham तुषारादि शंकाश गौरम गंभीरम मनोभूति कोटि प्रभासी शरीरम स्पन मौल कल्लोल नीचारु गंगा लसब्दाल बालेन्दु कंठे भुजंगा चलत कुंडलम भूषणेत्रम विशालम प्रसन्नानिनम नीलकंठम दयालम मृगाधीश चर्मांबरम मुंडमालम प्रियम शंकरम शर्वनाथम भजामि प्रचंडम प्रकष्टम प्रगल्भम परेशम अखंडम अजम भानुकोटि प्रकाशम त्रयः शूल निर्मूलनम शूलपाणिम भजेहम भवानी पतिम भावगम्यम कलातीत कल्याण कल्पांतकारी सदा सच्चिदानंद दाता पुरारी चिदानंद संदोह मोहापहारी प्रसीदे प्रसीदे प्रभो मन्मथारी न यावत उमानाथ पादारविंदम भजन्ति हि लोके परिवा नराण न तावत सुखम शांति संतापनाशम प्रसीदे प्रभो सर्वभूताधिवासम न जानामि योगम जपम नैव पूजा न तो हम सदा सर्वदा शंभु तुभ्यम जरा जन्म दुख और तातप्यमानम प्रभो पाहियापन नमामि शंभु। रुद्राष्टकम प्रोक्तम विप्रण हरितोषये ये पठन्ति नरा भक्त्या तेषां शंभु प्रसीदते। Okay, this is a complete of Rudrashtakam Shotam. It's a very blessed song. Okay, you try to this song, try to chant and compare daily songs. Rudrashtakam Shotam, Rudrashtakam Shotam daily songs. Okay, thank you.